Hey, it's Big Jeff. I'm so excited. We're about to announce the 7K YouTube giveaway winner. First, I want to make an announcement. I guess because it's getting more and more popular, we had a scammer sending direct messages to different people to text them with a number, and then it was asking for your address. Do not, and I repeat, do not even bother yourself with those people. We right away, as soon as we found out, reported them. We will never ask you in a giveaway to text us because you won. The winners are announced the following week in another video, and it's from our page, Big Jeff Audio. So if anybody did text that, I hope nothing came about. I'm not even sure fully what would happen. I went in and sent the text, and then when I got a text, it said, what's your address? And then I didn't go any further. So just keep that in mind. But let's get to the winner of the Kicker Solo X 12-inch. I mean, this Kicker sub, I believe, was the talk of the town. And then there was people saying, oh, they don't really have it, do have it. And I said, you know what, we're just going to give one away. There was some issues with online sellers not allowed to sell them where you could drop them in the cart, but you could buy it directly. Either way, we have them. We've had them. We've sold them, and we still have some more 12-inch dual ones, I believe, and possibly some more coming. And then the next would be the 10-inch and the 15. Those are sometime out, I'm being told, 2 to 4 weeks on the 10, and then thereafter the 15. But you keep with Big Jeff, we will keep you updated, and I'm sure we'll probably give one of those away too. But let's get to it. The 7K winner is Jonathan Nash. What's good, Big Jeff? Jonathan from Waterloo. I would love to win because that would be a nice upgrade. I've only heard about them and seen them on your YouTube and would love to play them, and said be blessed. So that's awesome. You're the winner. It's even more awesome that you found out about the Solo X's here at Big Jeff Audio. You are a winner of a 12-inch dual one. So you will need either a 2-ohm amplifier or a half-ohm, which I probably don't recommend. Or possibly, if you do have the funds, contact us and we can get you a second dual one. And then at that point, you can use a 1-ohm mono. These amps are highly efficient and really only need 2,000 watts RMS, which blows my mind. I've been seeing more and more videos of people hooking them up and very, very impressed. So you're the winner. Now, let's get to the real news. We are going to start the 8K NHRA giveaway. Now, at the bottom here in the description, you're going to have a link. By the time this video is done, you will be able to go to that video. This is huge for us because we sponsored Camry Caruso, a NHRA Pro Drag race car. Super excited. This race coming up next weekend, we're going to give the results there. We actually have the full wrap for that her race, and then we sponsored her thereafter. Super excited, super stoked. This is the top of all top, but guess what? Watch the video so you can see what you could win or multiple people could win right now. I'm Big Jeff. See you at the 8K NHRA